It usually takes defendants charged with federal crimes more than 2 years for their cases to work their way through the courts. In former President Trump's 2 federal cases, prosecutors' goal of holding trials before November would cut that average timeline in half. It's yet another indication that the timeline for Mr. Trump is motivated by the election calendar. With former President Trump as the presumptive GOP nominee headed for a rematch with President Biden, Trump has frequently accused Democrats in the Justice Department of prosecuting him to weaken his candidacy. Under the Speedy Trial Act, a federal trial is expected to be set within 70 days of a defendant being indicted. But according to experts we spoke to, that never happens. Those requirements are usually impacted by a variety of circumstances, like motions or witnesses being unavailable. In court filings, special counsel Jack Smith has argued there is a public interest in a speedy and fair trial. He says Trump must be stopped from engaging a second time in an abuse of power. Trump's legal team, meanwhile, is seeking delays in both federal cases, as is routine. In the Southern District of Florida, where the document case is pending, the median time between indictment to termination of a jury trial is 17 months. In D.C., it is 26 months. The trial in the D.C. case was originally set for March 4th, but that's been pushed back due to the Supreme Court hearing his claims of absolute immunity from criminal prosecution. And the Florida prosecution in the documents case doesn't have a trial date yet after it was pushed back from May. I'm Alex Sawyer, legal affairs reporter for The Washington Times. For more on former President Trump's legal cases, follow me on X at @asawyer and read more at washingtontimes.com.